Okay. Hey guys, it's been a while. Welcome to my new shop. A lot has changed since my last video. I moved with my wife from LA to her home state of Rhode Island, had 2 daughters, and bought a house. And on the property is this 600 square foot barn, which I've turned into my workshop. As you can see, it's a huge step up from where I started. So why am I back making a video after all this time? Well, I'm starting up my own custom woodworking business. But before I jump into that, here's a bit of a backstory. I made that bar top arcade video during COVID. Like many people, I wasn't working at the time and I thought it would be a fun project to share with others. And I gotta tell you, the response I got was amazing. I wanna thank you all for following, subscribing, liking, commenting. It was awesome to get that kind of feedback. I've been working in television as an audio mixer for over 20 years now. Me and my wife had a post-production company and business was back. We moved to Rhode Island, the industry was strong and everything was great. And then the writer's strike happened. Everything shut down yet again. The strike eventually ended, but the business just hasn't bounced back. Many of my colleagues haven't worked in over a year, and with AI knocking at the door of Hollywood, I kind of see the writing on the wall. So here we are. If there's ever a time to jump into woodworking full-time, this is it. This channel is where I'm going to be documenting the whole journey, building the business from the ground up. I'll show you the wins, the setbacks, the shop builds, the client work, all of it. If you're into woodworking or considering taking a similar leap someday, I'd love to have you along for the ride. Please like and subscribe and follow along as I give this a real shot. Wish me luck.